We'll show you what we've come to know on board while sailing wisdom.
Hello, Charlie. Well, this is an absolutely gorgeous morning. We're gonna get the sails up. We're gonna sail over to St. Michael's from Oxford. It's pretty close. It's like 12, 15 miles, something like that. And the people on SV Booger told us that there is so much wildlife in the anchorage on the south side of St. Michael's. So I am very excited about that. We've never been to that part of it. We've always anchored on the north side of St. Michael's. So this is gonna be a new anchorage for us and a new way to explore an old favorite.
Morning. Good job. Good job. We are leaving Oxford and we're heading to St. Michael's. Sailing, sailing, sailing on the bay. Kisses. Good kisses, Jerry. Yes. Charlie. And Jerry. And there's a boat. See the boat? It's a very calm day on the water, but we do have a breeze, so hopefully we'll be able to do some nice sailing. It's overcast, which I am so grateful for. Marvin, one of our followers, was extremely generous and knew that I get seasick really easily, and that's kind of my MO, which is a sucky MO to have. But he sent us this care package for seasickness of things that I've never seen before. Y'all have heard of the pressure point bracelets and everything. I've tried them. They don't work for me at all. But this is a different kind of bracelet. This sends an electrical pulse onto that pressure point right there. So I'm gonna try it out. So first I gotta put some conductivity gel onto that area. It's a little freaky. I have freakishly tiny wrists. Ooh, it's tingling. That's a strange feeling. It's like lots of little shocks. Ooh. All right, well, thank you, William. This is really cool. It's definitely doing something, so let's see. See what we get. It's another lovely sail today. There are actually a lot of boats all around us, and they've all got their sails up, which is fun to see. And I'm just happily drinking tea and watching them sail and watching us sail. Now, St. Michael's, I'm really excited about. It's the destination I was most excited about for this trip because it's just such a cute, historic little town. It's got a lot to do, unlike Oxford, which is also cute and historic, but St. Michael's is full of shops and restaurants and museums and just lots of cute stuff, galleries. So it's just going to be a really fun destination. We'll probably be there for a few days, and we're trying out a new anchorage this time. Last time we were there, we anchored by the museum, and it's a very tight, very crowded anchorage. This time around, we're coming by the other direction, which is both a lot shorter for us, and this is the way that cruisers tend to go. This is what everyone's told us about. So apparently it's a beautiful anchorage tucked into nature, and I'm very excited to experience it. So lots of good things. Harry's taking a nap. It's overcast, it's beautiful out. Everything's good. Perfect day.
We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love. You wanna get to me close? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together.
Oh,
We only
going
need
in
the
the
two
water.
of us together. We only need
All right.
the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love.
we love to eat our way through our trips. Food for us is how we experience a location, which was really fun when we were cruising to all different continents and countries. That was really the highlight of some of our experiences, and what we really remember with such fondness was the food. It's so fun to experience a culture through its food. The culture of St. Michael's is also vibrant for food, and so we will be eating out there. And one of those places is the Crab Claw, so I'm gonna look into going there tonight. If we can't go there tonight, we'll go for lunch tomorrow or Monday. But anyway, that's what I'm doing down below right now, planning our food. We're going to put out a YouTube video, so we have to make some transitions so the YouTube video makes sense. And that is why we're filming leaving the boat.
Olé.
Here we are, St. Michael's.
So,
Sunny and beautiful.
yes, the sunniest. We anchored on the south side, and there's a nice dinghy dock. We're walking in, and everything's looking nice.
Also, there are trash cans right at the dinghy dock, which you wouldn't really think about as being super important, but it makes a huge difference. You don't have to walk into town carrying trash. Gonna go to dinner in St. Michael's. It's got lots of good places with good food, so I'm sure that we'll find something delicious.
So, yeah, we had to drop the girls off at the boat.
And Morty.
And Morty. They're all eating their dinner and just relaxing and getting ready to go to sleep, and we can then go out and eat in peace because we made a cage for the birds in the boat, and that is such a game changer. Okay, so we're gonna go eat at this place that Maddie found because they have smash burgers, because we've been watching Barbeque Showdown
On Netflix.
and it is
And
so
they made
delicious
a
looking.
smash burger yesterday, and it made me really want smash burgers.
Yep. So now we're going to get some smash burgers. That way we can eat the delicious thing that we saw on TV earlier.
Thanks for watching this episode of Sailing Wisdom. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Rigging Doctor episode. And if you're interested in even more Rigging Doctor awesomeness, consider becoming a patron to see all of our extras. Can't wait to see you next time as you join us out here on the high seas.